to SEO Time Machines, the world's first operating system for your browser. I am Dimitri, the creator, and today I'd like to show you the color picker. This is part of our designers and web developers toolkit, and I think you will find it is the fastest color picker out there. Now, the first thing is that you can launch this via shortcut from the quick launch toolbar by typing CP or color picker if you can't remember it, and that will launch a color picker. Or if you're a power user and you like to have this on hand at all times, you can open the Chrome extension, press S for settings, go to quick action, and just type color picker here so that you can find it. Once you've set a shortcut, now if you try and use a shortcut that is used anywhere else in the app, it will block you. But once you've set the shortcut, it's then available on any page that you go. The color picker API is actually one of those things that will allow you to click outside of the browser. So if you see something on your desktop or some other color that you like, you can click anywhere on the screen. That's one of the beauties of it. The options is useful because you can select the preferred color that you like. And so if you only want one color from a website, you can literally launch the color, click close, and it is already in your clipboard because the paste function or the copy function is automatic. You can see that that color is already in the clipboard. If you want multiple colors very quickly, again, you launch the shortcut, double click, and if you want to export everything, you can press copy text or export CSV, and all these options, all this information comes with you in the format that you like. So that is our website color picker from SEO Time Machines, and I hope you enjoy it.